Unbelievable engineering secrets are surfacing straight out of Shenzhen, completely shattering everything we thought was physically possible for micro-aerial cinematography in 2026. If you have been following the massive shifts in palm-sized drone technology over the last few months, you already know that the original ultra-lightweight segment completely disrupted how creators capture personal cinematic content on the go. But what is currently happening behind closed doors at DJI Secret Hardware Labs is an absolute game-changer that makes all previous micro-drones look like ancient toys. Leaked documentations, internal flight app telemetry updates, and exclusive supply chain disclosures have officially confirmed the existence of the DJI Neo 3, and the raw performance capabilities floating around this tiny beast are legitimately mind-blowing. We are talking about a completely reimagined aerodynamic chassis, revolutionary 4K, 60 frames per second recording with 10-bit color depth, next-generation obstacle sensing, and a propulsion system engineered to survive real-world weather conditions that would instantly destroy previous ultra-compact platforms. Every single rumor point, CAD render file, and regulatory submission leaked over the last few weeks points to one unified reality. DJI is preparing to dominate the personal AI drone market with zero mercy for the competition. In this comprehensive deep dive breakdown, we are going to dissect every single piece of leaked data, benchmark analysis, camera architecture shift, and pricing timeline, so you know exactly what is coming before anyone else. To fully understand why the DJI Neo 3 is generating this level of insane hype across the global tech community. We first have to look at the massive physical evolution of its frame design. Early manufacturing schematics confirm that while DJI is strictly maintaining the coveted sub 250-gram regulatory threshold to allow friction-free flying across the United States and Europe, the actual physical footprint has undergone a complete radical overhaul. Gone are the flimsy open prop guards of the early days. The Neo 3 introduces a custom-engineered composite open grille framework that optimizes airflow while boosting overall crash resistance by nearly 300%. This structural shift allows heat generated by the upgraded internal image signal processor to dissipate dynamically across the top housing, solving the major thermal throttling issues that plagued previous micro-drones during high frame rate 4K recording sessions in direct sunlight. Furthermore, internal component layouts reveal an ultra-compact dual-layer stack logic board, packing double the computing power into a footprint that comfortably rests on the palm of your hand. When we shift our attention directly to the camera architecture, the leaked specifications become absolutely ridiculous for a drone of this scale. Supply chain analysts tracking Sony sensor orders destined for DJI's production facilities report the inclusion of an upgraded half-inch CMOS image sensor mated to an ultra-bright wide-angle lens with an extended field of view. What this means in real-world scenarios is a massive jump in dynamic range and low-light performance that finally eliminates noisy, grainy shadow artifacts during sunset or early morning shoots. The Neo 3 is rumored to record native 4K video at 60 frames per second, alongside full 10-bit D-Log M color profile support, allowing professional videographers to seamlessly match aerial footage with high-end cinema cameras in post-production. Beyond raw resolution numbers, DJI is introducing an upgraded 2-axis mechanical gimbal coupled with advanced Rocksteady 3.0 and horizon balancing electronic stabilization, ensuring buttery smooth horizon lines even when the drone is aggressively banking into sharp turns or navigating intense wind gusts. Speaking of flight dynamics and wind resistance, one of the biggest complaints regarding ultra-lightweight pocket drones has always been their inability to fight adverse atmospheric conditions without drifting or burning through battery life. Leaked flight controller firmware hints that the DJI Neo 3 utilizes a newly developed brushless motor setup paired with variable pitch micropropellers that boost thrust-to-weight ratios dramatically. Testing logs show the drone maintaining rock-solid hover stability in level 5 wind conditions, a monumental upgrade that opens up coastal, mountain, and high-altitude filming low. Cations previously off-limits to palm-sized aircraft. To complement this increased thrust output, DJI has engineered a high-density intelligence battery cell using advanced chemical chemistry, extending maximum flight times past the 22-minute mark per charge. This allows creators to capture complex multi-angle tracking sequences and cinematic orbit or rocket shots without constantly stressing about emergency low-battery auto-landings mid-flight. Artificial intelligence and autonomous tracking are where the DJI Neo 3 completely separates itself from any remaining competitor in the marketplace. Deep inside the leaked app code, references to ActiveTrack 2.0 AI vision processing algorithms confirm that the drone no longer relies purely on basic contrast-based subject detection. Instead, a dedicated neural processing unit on the main board maps human body mechanics, facial structures, and motion vectors in real time. Whether you are sprinting through a dense forest trail, mountain biking down steep terrain, or navigating crowded urban streets, the Neo 3 continuously predicts your path, automatically weaving around branches, light poles, and overhead structure hazards without interrupting its high-speed follow mode. This level of hands-free flight intelligence effectively gives solo creators a professional Hollywood camera operator sitting inside a device that weighs less than a smartphone. Safety engineering has also received a massive generational leap forward that will give new pilots total confidence in tricky indoor or tight outdoor environments. Rather than relying solely on basic downward optical flow sensors, supply chain component manifests point to the addition of multi-directional obstacle detection sensors integrated directly into the front, bottom, and upper perimeter of the prop guards. These micro-to-F sensors generate a continuous three-dimensional spatial map of the immediate flight environment, allowing the automated flight computer to execute precise brake maneuvers or dynamic bypass routes if an object unexpectedly enters its flight path. For creators shooting indoor vlogs, real estate walkthroughs, or close-range action sports, this enhanced spatial awareness makes accidental collisions virtually impossible, making the Neo 3 the safest and most forgiving beginner-friendly cinematic tool ever built. Connectivity and control versatility represent another massive pillar of the DJI Neo 3 strategy that caters to every conceivable user tier. Leaked regulatory FCC filings confirm the inclusion of the next-generation O4+ digital video transmission protocol, delivering ultra-low latency high-definition live feeds up to miles away in open environments. But what makes this drone truly special is its complete multimodal control ecosystem. You can execute quick palm takeoffs and select pre-programmed quick shots using simple hardware buttons directly on the chassis. Command the drone using hands-free voice control prompts. Pair it with your smartphone via high-speed Wi-Fi 6 direct connection, or link it directly with dedicated RC transmitters and FPV goggles for high-speed freestyle acrobatic flying.